Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about steps to file a claim under life insurance policy. So when we make a claim under life insurance, we are supposed to follow these steps. First one is claim intimation or notification. Second one is documents required for claim processing. Third, submission of required documents for claim processing. Finally, settlement of claim based on these. First one, claim intimation or notification. So, as per this step, the claimant must submit written intimation as soon as possible to enable the insurance company to initiate the claim processing. When the particular incident happened, when particular thing arises, the person who going to make a claim, they have to intimate to the insurance company regarding the particular aspects. After they intimate, then only the insurance company, they can proceed further regarding claim settlement process. So first one is written intimation about the happening of the particular incident or particular aspect, whatever it is, as per the insurance policy. So this claim in intimation, it consists of several information in connection with the claim. It includes policy number, name of the insured, date of death, and causes of death, place of death, and all other relevant information. Because these informations are relevant. Based on these only, the insurance company can decide further regarding claims settlement process. Second one is documents required. So while we intimate, we mention lot of details in connection with the settlement aspects. So they have to attach the following documents to support their claim. First one is about original policy document, death certificate, and police FIR and postmortem in case of accidental death. Because when there is an accidental death, the insurance company need to know the real cost behind the particular death. So they need police FIR and postmortem report to legally identify the real cause for the accidental death. Then in case of illness, if someone died due to illness or disease, certificate from the particular doctor or hospital. Because in most of the life insurance policy, they specifically mention about for what kind of illness or disease the particular person claiming policy. So the purpose of the death, the cause of the death is important. So here certificate from the doctor is more important. So like that, whatever the document is required for making claim process more efficient, that should be attached. Then submission of required documents. So third step. So it is essential that the claimant submit complete document as soon as possible. They should not omit anything. So complete, that means all the documents, whatever it is necessary, as per the claim settlement process, that should be submitted. It includes documents, record, forms, etc. So based on this, the insurance company will take the decision. Then finally, settlement of claim. As per IRDA regulation 2002, the insurer supposed to settle the claim within 30 days of receipt of all documents in connection with the particular settlement or particular claim. So regarding the particular claim, once they received all the documents, from that day onwards, within 30 days, the particular company should confirm or finalize the settlement. But in some cases, they are not satisfied. They may not be satisfied with the claim regarding particular documents or anything. So if they feel something is not okay, then they can take 6 month times to make investigation regarding the particular claim to know the real aspect or original things in connection with that. So for that, they can take this time. So these are the process or steps we follow under claim in life insurance. Thank you.